In this video, we will show you how to make a Kahoot public. If you guys want to get started with a Kahoot, you can use the links down in the description. If the Kahoot is public, then no sign-in is required to view the details page. Services like Facebook, Twitter, and Slack will preview your Kahoot's title, description, and cover image when you post this link. If the Kahoot is private, you cannot share it via link. If the Kahoot is visible to your team only, you can copy the link only from the browser. If someone else wants to access the game, sign-in will be required. Everyone except you and your team member will be denied access. First, open Kahoot's detail page and click the 3 vertical dots below the title. Now, click Share Kahoot. Click Copy at the bottom and send the link where you'd like to share the game. Share Kahoot with others and make it visible on the Shared With You tab of the Kahoot's page. The shared Kahoots can be public or private. Shared Kahoot cannot be removed. If there's no Kahoot account tied to the email you want to share the Kahoot with, the message won't be sent to the recipient. Now open Kahoot's options menu and choose Share. In the search box, type the username, email, or group name you want to share with. A list of matching people and groups will appear under the search box. After that, click Share next to the people and groups to share your Kahoot. So that's how to make a Kahoot public. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with Kahoot. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.